Look, my dog fell and hurt his paw. He needs a vet.
Why do you want it to get wet? It's hurt and sick.
I said it needs a vet. We can take it to the vet to see if it's okay.
Oh, you mean take the dogs to the vet?
Many English learners have difficulty distinguishing the V and W sounds, and sometimes that can cause misunderstanding. The V sound is pronounced V. Pay attention to your lips and the position of your top teeth. Your top teeth should be touching your bottom lip. Can you try saying the sound? When you make the sound, make sure you can feel your top teeth on your bottom lip. Let's try saying some words with the V sound. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Vet, vest, verse, vine. Now let's look at the W sound and see how it is different from the V sound. The W sound is pronounced W. Pay attention to the shape of your mouth. Your mouth should be in a round shape, and you should release the round shape as you make the sound. Can you try saying the sound? Do you notice how your mouth relaxes as you make the sound? Let's try saying some words with the W sound. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Wet, west, worse, wine. Hopefully, now you'll find it easier to pronounce the V and W sounds using the correct mouth position. If you want to improve your pronunciation, check out our online resources and sign up for our pronunciation workshops. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the ELSS website for more resources.